Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to download and install Dev C++ editing tool. It is the best editing tool for C programming and C language, and you can see here link is given in description. You can simply go to download, and best thing is here is no ads, so simply you have to click on download. It will be download, redirect download page, and you have to save in your desired folder. And I have already downloaded, so simply I am going to press Ctrl+J, and you can see here Dev C++. I have downloaded 5.11 version setup, so I can click here in show in folder. You will be redirected in folder. You can see here it is downloaded, and I'm going to open it. Okay, so allow access. Okay, and okay, it will be updating data, even unpacking data. Okay, so I have to wait. It will take just 2 minutes, and simply choose your language. You have get too many different options. I am choosing English, so click on OK, agree this, and you can keep as it is default. Okay, click on next. I am choosing this folder location of this editing tool, and click on install. It will take few seconds, and if you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and like the video. And if you have any questions or queries, then you can ask in comments. We will reply it. And it will take some few seconds more. Okay, and you can see here this is from Dev C++ 5.11 version. You can untick this if you don't want to launch this. I'm going to launch it and click here find finish. Okay, and here's some tutorial. Okay, and I'm going to create new C program file. So simply click on file, and here you can see new source file. And if you want to create bigger project, then you can click here project. I'm going to simply now source file. Okay, and if you include, and you can see here this is a because it take automatically, so you don't have to, it makes you lazy. So okay, include .ho, sorry, and void main. Okay, and you can see here takes automatically brackets or ending tags. Okay, get ch. Okay, and I'm going to printf, and okay, subscribe to logical programming. Okay, done. I'm going to save it as a first.c. Okay, I'm going to replace this. Okay, and simply you can see here execute. To run this program, simply click on execute. If you want to first compile, F9, and here error attribute for token. Oh, sorry, it happens. So compile. Okay, 0 warning, 0 errors, and you can see here F10 compiling, and you can see here our output is ready. And if you like video, then subscribe to our channel and like to video, and to watch more videos subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.